Hello guys, today we are going to camp and also we have all our stuff here. Like this very big blanket that I just got from my... We've been driving for like I think 4 hours now. We've been driving for 4 hours now. That it's 11:38. We woke up early at like 5 or 4 or 6, and we went to this field trip, this rainy camping. And it's raining right now, and it's happening like this. I have my snacks over here so that we don't starve during the ride, the trip to the camping. And I got our drinks and our nuggets. And we are with Sage today with her Mountain Dew, and I don't know why the phone faces like that now. And we have our sunroof open. And wow, look at this. Wow, what an amazing day.